Đó ngày à chính tôi cam đây đây cắt màu cô thân con hình nó đầm rú sao té lọ anh ấy tiếp lọ chinh pul cam mà prực sân cắt màu đáy đi phật này.
Sometimes it can make a month income. Second, ready-made creatives. Raw materials are usually provided by the author owner, who cares a lot about brand presentation.
Cái fly đến té.
Yourself. Third, fancy goods. Yep, for those who always dreamt about it. Are there any cons? Well, also yes. Usually high layouts mean a complicated user journey. In high-ticket offers, users have to register, share their contact details, and then make a deposit, receive a call, perform some actions in the app, or anything else. That's a lot. If you have a complicated conversion flow, then you have a complicated tracking. Since optimization of the whole funnel, even if you get paid up to the final sale only. If the offer pays about $100, most likely you will have to spend a couple of thousands to test it. Usually high-ticket offers have restrictions for traffic checks. So the owners spend a lot to find their
Dạ, chẳng không hẹp mỏ đấy này.
social networks restrict some verticals like dating or some types of finance. Restrictions everywhere.
Restrictions everywhere.
Plus, you're at the mercy of the advertiser's commitment to the affiliate program. Multiple new websites, changes in terms, commission rates, or program canceling can impact your earnings. So, would you like to try high-ticket affiliate marketing? If yes, then we wish you all of luck. And of course, join Fulfiller Us for high-quality traffic and efficient tools.
Nè, đó đô còn lại những người vợ đấy trộm ấy. Bị rút vào prao thôi, vô mau cô bao ấy mà thôi.